Now listen, this is real mom life. I only have Christmas wrapping paper, so who cares, right? Well, hello guys, it's been forever. Took a tiny break beginning of this week and didn't vlog very much, to be honest. I'll explain more later, but there's a lot to do with my big trip coming up in like 2 weeks to LA. But I digress. We just got back from the grocery store and I thought I would show you this tiny but relatively expensive purchase. Tonight for dinner, I am making meatballs, but I'm going the cheap way out and I got the pre-mades. It does involve some pineapple and some ketchup, a side salad, but I am making the sauce homemade. This is my sweet and sour meatballs. I've got some walnuts for my smoothies, some shrimp, various veg things certain people snuck in, eggs, milk, creamer, you know. These ones I think Esme is really gonna like. Sugar snap peas. Oh, I know you did. Some juice, some things we've run out of. Esme's loving tuna fish sandwiches for lunch, and so I like to get these little tuna cans. These are like half a can, but it's perfect for one sandwich. Yeah, various other treats people have snuck in. And right now, the kids are making some, what is it? Shrinky dinks. You do what you gotta do. They color and they bake them and they shrink. They're a thing. Someone I know on Instagram was using them and I was like, we gotta try them. So that's what they're doing. And cheers, I'm drinking a little kombucha at the moment. My favorite ones are the plain ones. I really like just the natural, not too sour. In case you missed Monday's video, you should go back and watch it. I will link it right up there. But I did a major makeover to my pantry and it is so clean. A couple highlights, shelf, containers, another shelf, bottle holder, got the potatoes, oh my God, I went through all the craft stuff. Oh, epic. So after this video, go watch it. You will not be disappointed. Our birthdays. Hello, birthday girl. And obviously this girl over here, and this sweet lady right here, Anna, you've met her before. She got us these little gifts. Check it out. Can you see what it says? Fearless. Does yours say fearless too? Nope. What does yours say? Hold on. Strength. Love it. How nice are you? Thank you. Here we are, Saturday morning in recovery at a play date, and my friend is so nice. She's got 2 little girls, and she's made us lunch, and it's like an awesome spring spread. God, look at this yummy stuff. Salads and hot dogs. It's like spring is on the table. So exciting. Yes.
I said the good stop, and she did stop.
Oh, thanks for telling me. This is when you know you're Canadian, because you're on a swing jacket free, but there's still snow on the ground. That's how it works. How's it going? Good? Not sure?
Why? What is that?
I think it was for a special harness if they had one, but you have to like...
Maybe it's a handle to hold on tight.
Honestly, something. Go, Esme, go! She's climbing the tree. Hi. How's it going? Yeah, do you want to sit in the front?
They built it.
Here, you could sit like in the front pocket, just right here.
And you want to go in the
Boom!
back?
Yeah. All right, let's try it out. Whoa, you're not gonna fall, don't worry. Hold on to the edge. And you can wiggle around. This is cool, isn't it?
I see that too!
Whoa! How fun is that?
Whitewater rafting!
Woohoo! It's like my friend, by the way, this is Jen. We were just saying how nice it is. It's like sunny. It's beautiful. And glorious. And to be like out of the house.
Yes.
And also thanks for a really nice lunch.
You're welcome.
Should be a nice spread. It's actually a play day for the kids and I was like, wait, I enjoy hot dogs as well, so it worked out. Home sweet home. Very wind-blown hair. Had a really nice time at the play date, and in fact, Esme was having so much fun that she decided to stay a little bit longer. So Jackie and I came home. I was like, Jen, to my friend, I'm like, I need to go be horizontal because I'm slightly hungover. It's like a sleep, tired headache thing. So I'm just gonna lay here and watch a show for an hour. And I just had a Big Mac because that is my hangover cure. That's what I always do. Also, I ordered a Coke because I do like a bubbly carbonated beverage, but they gave me a diet one and I just, nope, it does not work for me. So today I am drinking a kombucha that I found in the fridge. Gotta tell ya, getting into kombucha lately. Dean's making his own SCOBY thing, whatever that is. All right, I'm gonna lay down because hangover, yeah. I don't recommend it, nope. Look at our spread. So Joanna and I are hosting a fun little event tonight And hi. Oh, this hair's got some volume. Yeah, we're hosting a fun little event with some friends. There's Patra, beautiful Patra. Hi. Hello. This place is adorable. I know. I think it's it's like a hair lounge in the day. Huh. We're in Burlington. Hair lounge in the day, and then in the evening it turns into like a lovely place to like, you can rent it, and oh, this is very cute. What a nice little spot. Hi.
Hi.
Looks so cute. And you have fabulous eyebrows.
Oh, thank you.
She just got her eyebrows done.
They're really dark.
Yeah. No, they're not. They look so good. Little styled lounge if you're in the Burlington hood. Cute.
I remember asking some stupid question at like the thing about affiliate links. I had no idea what affiliate links were, and but I just kept going. And then I started meeting people, and then I met bloggers and everything. And a lot of my crew initially was like US people, and I was a babysitter. So then when I first started to meet like Canadian people, like knew a few people here, and then one day I was at a party. Actually, no, before this party, I was like dabbling in video, and I didn't even realize that what I was doing was vlogging. But apparently it was vlogging, and then I went down that path, and then I was like, who are these YouTubers? And I found this girl named Amanda. She seems kind of cool and local. And then we ended up meeting at a party at Kent. And then she wanted to take it out.
I remember that. Like I remember that time. Yeah. And then later we went to that party and
Yep.
Sorry.
So then,
Sorry.
She's already 2 wines deep, guys.
Me, for those of you who know me, I lived in Malaysia for a bunch of years, and I was like thinking, you know, I knew there were people doing this in the space, but like I didn't know where they were. And then I was like fresh off the boat, and I get an email from these two, and I was like, oh, like people know that I'm doing something. And like
When you came on our show, we were like, she's a fucking.
oh my gosh, she's fucking celebrity.
Which is hard. I've always had a social media manager who was wonderful.
Home sweet home. That was a really fun night. It was really nice to like chat and mingle and just share and network and all of that. And it was a good first time experience. It was a good learning experience. Some things I'll change for next time. Yeah, anyway, it was really good. But it is late. It's like 12:30 and I really need to go to bed. So, good night. I'll see you tomorrow. Oh, sweet sound of brewing coffee. Also, it is 9:15 in the morning. We had a lovely sleep in. My boys are still sleeping, and the sun is shining out there. I cannot wait for this day. Hi, Nora. What are you up to? Oh, hi.
OMG.
What is it?
So, what's
That is, I'm not really sure what it's called.
that?
Looks like a cannoli kind of thing.
Yeah, that's a cannoli.
Okay, so you got, this is like the salty stuff for lunch. This is like the yummy sweet stuff, and then all the fruit.
I think I'm gonna have to fruit something healthy. Oh, and Mom,
Yeah.
after can I have just a strawberry with chocolate on it?
Yeah, put it all on your plate. Here,
Oh yeah, so
let's take that one.
Yeah, this one looks
Boom.
yummier. Oh my god.
Okay, what else? All right, bon appetit. Happy Sunday. It's always fun when you get to take home some things from the party. Okay, here we go. Ah! And there we go. I got a little snoop in my ear. Dropping it like it's hot. Hard not to dance as I'm showing this to you. Okay, bed made. Clear, clothes put away. This is for my big trip coming up, which I will tell you more shortly. Let's see, I've cleared the laundry bins. That's the second round that's going down. Some blankets and pillows we're not using. Dishes that make their way upstairs. I've tidied the bathroom, so there's no deep cleaning today. Today is a tidy up situation. And in the kids' room, I have made some beds. Guys, we need to have a garage sale. This is out of control on Esme. She will not part with these babies. She like literally cries her eyes out. Oh, anyway, closet stuff put away. Okay, we're getting there. We're getting there. Now is to start the laundry. Also, I'm fully like exercised out because you know when you're walking around your house, you need to be like ready for it. I'm ready. Esme is heading to a birthday party. His hair needs a wash, can you tell? And a cut. Anyway, so I ended up getting off of Amazon this little gift, an emoji bracelet kit. I always run it past Esme. Now listen, this is real mom life. I only have Christmas wrapping paper, so who cares, right? The weather is so nice today. I was just jumping on the trampoline for like 15 minutes and the kids wouldn't let me out. I was laughing so hard. Oh, I have so much fun with those guys. Those kids are pretty fun. All right, let's do this. Oh God. Story of my life. This party starts in 10 minutes. Okay? If it ain't rushed, where's the fun in it? You know? Back from the birthday party. Got a barbecuing man over there. Kombucha, barbecue. We do not have deck furniture really, so we got to sort that out, but let's dive in here. So good. Well, it's beautiful out, and I have a ton of laundry to fold, and I don't want to be inside, so I brought it outside. Dean's like, what are you doing? But here's the thing. If I don't do it now, it's like, I don't have time tomorrow to do this. I got plans on Monday. Mondays is when Jackie goes to preschool, and so that's when I get everything done. So like, I gotta do this now, or I ain't never gonna get done, you know? So anyway, that's what I'm up to. We have the fire going. I mean, we have fun around here. So last week, I was telling you guys that I'm trying to do laundry and then put it away, right after it's folded. I'm sticking to it, and it's working. Week 2, I got this. Still a ton of laundry, but at least I'm getting to it. Also, I'm realizing that the kids are both gone through a little bit of a growth spurt, so I need to go through their clothing, because for one, their drawers are just exploding, but they're also not fitting everything that's in the drawers, and you know, some of Esme's leggings have got little holes in the knee and that kind of stuff, so that will be coming soon, very soon. Well, greetings, late Sunday night. I am drinking some chamomile tea, which I normally don't drink tea. I am not drawn to tea, but I am trying to create proper habits. Going to sleep is, I don't have a very good habit in place. I don't have TVs in the bedroom or anything. However, I do have my cell phone. Anyway, story for another day. What I was going to talk about tonight was to let you know that a couple of things. One, do you remember a few weeks back when I was asking you guys to nominate me for this award? I'm going to this conference May 1 through May 5, and it's going to be in LA. I'm really excited, and it's called Mom 2. Anyway, so I'd asked you guys, they have this award ceremony, and I was like, could you guys like look at the, you know, suggestions and nominate me for something. Anyway, I got nominated. So I am up for an award for the best live stream of the year, and it's kind of across all my platforms because, you know, I go live everywhere. So I'm really excited about that, and I wanted to thank you because I just realized I thanked you all on Instagram, but you're not all on Instagram. So if you want to join me on Instagram, it's at AmandaMuse, but it's very exciting. So I'm up against it in my category. There's some amazing creators, so like I'm not holding my breath, but I mean, it's still an honor to be nominated, and I mean, it could happen. It could happen. So this next week, I am like getting everything in order to go on this trip. I pretty much have all my clothes. I need to make sure all, you know, the kids are managed and everything's taken care of, and you know, all the last minute things. Like I just realized I don't have my shuttle booked to get to the airport. All of the things. Also, it's my birthday on the 30th, so lots of exciting things happening in the next 10 days, but it's like really busy. You know, I create 3 videos a week on Facebook. No, I don't. I'm tired. I create 3 videos a week on YouTube, and then I have a Facebook video. There's a lot that happens, and it's a lot of like prepping in advance, and so anyway, I've been working the last 2 weeks trying to get ready for this trip. Long story short, there's a lot going on, but you're gonna have the 3 videos when I'm away, and it's gonna be great, and I'll be able to like take you with me on Insta stories when I'm in LA, so I'm very excited. But anyway, that's my long-winded way of saying thank you. I'm very excited for this nomination. I'm very excited for this trip. I'm actually going to be speaking at this. I have a panel with Joanna from Nesting Story, and we're talking all about, you know, growing a YouTube channel and how do you make a business out of that and tech stuff. And so I'm really excited about that. I'm just real excited. Real excited. I mean, highlights for me: 1, LA, 2, nomination, 3, Brene Brown and Kristen Bell are speaking. What? I'm so excited. So anyways, that's it. I'm gonna wrap it up. I have a couple things to do right now before I go to bed, and I really want to catch an episode of Outlander. I mean, I have big plans, big, lofty goals. So if you're new, I would love it if you consider subscribing. That's it. I put up 3 videos a week, and stick around. It'd be fun. All right, guys. I'll see you on Wednesday. Nope, this is Wednesday. I'll see you on Friday. Keep it real, friends. Bye.